Germany's job market is going through its biggest shift in decades. AI is absorbing entire categories of knowledge work, so most people's instinct right now is to panic reskill into completely new field. We think that's exactly the wrong move. And the German government's own funding policy is starting to reflect the same logic. It's better to upskill. Take what you already know, your experience, your domain expertise, the judgment you have built, and add AI skills on top. This path can be fully funded by the government. If you're living in Germany and you're unemployed, at risk of losing your job, or registered as job seeking, this is possible through something called the Bildungsgutschein. In this video, I will guide you through what the German job market actually looks like in 2026, why upskilling beats reskilling right now, and the exact 5-step process to get the Bildungsgutschein for a Turing College program, including what to pick to maximize your chances of approval. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what this actually is. A Bildungsgutschein is basically a voucher issued by the German Federal Employment Agency. That's the Agentur für Arbeit, or if you're receiving Bürgergeld, the Jobcenter. It is designed to help people get back into the workforce fast by covering the full cost of practical training programs. Now, here is something important. There are actually 2 types of programs the government funds. For anyone looking to break into tech or upskill quickly, Weiterbildung is what you want. It's shorter, more flexible, and focused on getting you job-ready skills fast. And here is the best part. The voucher can cover everything. You don't pay a single euro out of pocket. It's a grant, not a loan. Now, you might think that everyone who is eligible on paper gets funded. That's not entirely true. From our own experience, voucher approval rates vary from 20 to 50%, so your strategy matters here. The Agentur für Arbeit is now prioritizing programs that get people back to work quickly. Short, focused upskilling programs designed to add AI capabilities on top of existing expertise are the most reliably funded category right now. Can you still get funding for a longer 6-month plus program? Yes, but the bar is higher than it used to be. The most secure path, and this is based on dozens of our German learners who have gone through the process successfully, is to choose a shorter program, up to 6 months, that targets a specific AI skill set within a domain you already work in. What that looks like depends on where you're starting from. If you're a software engineer, upskill into AI engineering. You already have the technical foundation, you're just adding a layer. If you're a marketer, a 3-month AI for business course that teaches you to apply these tools in marketing will do more for your career than a generic 12-month bootcamp ever could. The pattern is the same. Start from what you know, make it AI native. And the funding system, whether intentionally or not, is starting to reward exactly that logic. There is a massive shift in skills demand happening in the tech sector in the US already. Germany also tends to adopt global tech shifts just slightly later than the US, which means the disruption reshaping jobs elsewhere is already coming, just not fully visible yet. At Turing College, we have trained over 3,000 people from 80 plus countries, so we see these patterns early. My honest answer: nobody knows what the tech industry looks like in 4 years, but the direction is clear. CEO of Anthropic Dario Amodei has predicted that AI could eliminate up to 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs by 2030, impacting sectors like law, finance, and consulting. What this means practically: employer expectations are about to rise dramatically. The narrow specialist era is ending. What is emerging is the deep generalist, someone who understands systems end to end. If you have experience in your field, reskilling isn't the most lucrative path anymore. Upskilling is. Every company is already flooded with people who can prompt an AI to generate a marketing strategy in 10 seconds. Almost none of them can measure if it's actually any good. That judgment, the kind that only comes from years inside the domain, is the thing AI can't replicate. Double down in your field. Learn AI skills to automate the boring parts and get ruthlessly good at evaluating what AI outputs. So what is the actual process? There are 5 steps to getting your Bildungsgutschein and starting at Turing College. And here is the key. You need to do the both at the same time. Apply to Turing College and apply for a voucher. That shows commitment, and that's what advisors want to see. Let's go through each one. Step 1. Apply to Turing College. Step 1 is simple. Go to Turing College's website and choose one of our Bildungsgutschein approved programs. Not sure which one? We have a quick career quiz on the site that can help. Only short courses are funded for ones who already have some relevant experience and want to update their skills quickly with more self-guided support. Once you click Apply Now, you will fill out a short form, record a quick video or audio answering a few questions about your goals. This takes about 15 minutes. And then you will have a 30-minute consultation call with our admissions team. And just so you know, the learning is fully project-based. You work through curated materials, complete real-world tasks, and submit project at the end of each sprint. It mirrors how modern tech teams actually work. All your project feedback comes from senior team leads. These are experienced professionals currently working at top companies worldwide, not junior instructors, real industry experts. After your consultation call, if you're accepted, we will send you a full info pack with everything your advisor will need. Course details, a ZFV, certification number, start dates, all of it. This document is crucial for step 4, so make sure you complete the admissions process. Step 2. Register as job seeking. And here is something important. You don't have to wait until you have lost your job. As long as you're registered as job seeking, you can apply. In fact, it's better to start early. You can register up to 3 months before your contract ends if you know it's coming. Now, which office you register with depends on your situation. You can register online through the Agentur für Arbeit service portal or just walk into your local office with your ID. Step 3. Book a Beratungstermin. That's your official consultation appointment where you will request the Bildungsgutschein. Quick note. If your meeting is in German and you're not comfortable, bring someone who can translate. The course itself is in English, so language isn't a barrier for learning, but the advisor meeting might require some translation support. And just a heads up, it often takes more than one meeting to get your voucher. That's completely normal. Advisors might want to review your documents or discuss your plan in stages. Many learners succeed on their second or third try. If you don't get approved the first time, we will help you prepare better for the next consultation with feedback on what to improve. Persistence shows commitment, and that's what they want to see. Step 4. Prepare your case. Step 4 is the most important. You need to prepare like you're going to a job interview. Your advisor needs to see that this course will help you get a job. You're making a case. First, bring proof of identity, passport, ID, residence permit if you're non-EU, and your registration certificate. Second, your CV. Keep it short, 1 to 2 pages, ideally in German. Highlight anything relevant, even if it's just self-learning or personal projects. Third, the info pack from Turing College. We will send you everything. Course details, a ZFV number, weekly study hours, start dates, and the full cost breakdown. Fourth, and this is key, bring job ads. Real, current job postings in Germany that match the skills you will learn in the course. Print out 2 or 3 strong matches. I like the skills that overlap. SQL, Python, data visualization, whatever it is. This proves there is actual demand. And fifth, your motivation. Be ready to clearly explain why you want to switch careers or upskill, why you choose the specific program, what your plan is after the course. If you need help preparing, we offer one-on-one guidance to help you structure your story and practice your talking points. Step 5. Get your voucher and start. If your case is approved, you will receive your Bildungsgutschein. It's an official document that confirms your training is fully funded. Important. Your voucher is usually valid for 3 months. That means you need to register and start your program within that window or it expires. Once you get it, act fast. So, to recap, if you're living in Germany and you're thinking about a career change, a Bildungsgutschein can fully fund your tech education in Germany. This is one of the best opportunities you will get. The government is actively investing in upskilling. The job market is hungry for tech talent, and you can do this without taking on debt. Visit the link below to start your application, or send us an email if you have questions. We are here to help you every step of the way. Good luck, and we hope to hear from you soon.